Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I just got done cleaning my gun, so I kind of have this mess all over the place, but I'm going to be installing a back slide plate by Bastion. So they have different custom accessories. In this one here, this back slide plate is the American flag. How cool is that? Absolutely love it. And that's gonna go on my Glock 19 here. So this is my my slide here. So I'm gonna take out the barrel and everything inside here before I install it, just because it'll be easier and that way it's not flying out when I'm in the process of taking off the original one here. And punch set here. So I'm gonna probably go with this one here. It's a little bit smaller because you're gonna want to stick it in right in between. Let's see if we can, right in between right here. So when you stick it in, you're gonna move it this direction here, so not towards you, but the opposite. Basically push this out, but you wanna be careful because you don't want the springs underneath to like pop up and fly through. So just keep that in mind. Sorry, first you wanna push it up too before you go sticking down. And then the plate just goes and slides out like so. Just like that, okay? Cool, so now you have this, as you can see. Okay, so now that that part's done, what you're gonna do next is you're gonna have to hold this down. As you can see as I'm trying to push it, hopefully you can see it, this piece here. First, you're gonna like push it down using a tool, your finger, whatever you can do to like get it to hold down. And then you're basically gonna slide this all the way in while you have this pushed down. So you'll push this down, slide it in, and then you're gonna wanna push down this piece next until basically the whole entire plate snaps in. So just kind of explaining it to you now because I don't have my camera set up for you to see how I'm doing it. I'm actually using this tool here that I use to clean my guns. I find it easier for me so I don't have to use my nails, because let's face it girls, we don't want to get our nails all messed up. Oh, here we go. Let's see if I can get it. So push it down and just gently kind of slide it in. Ooh, perfect. Look how easy that was. So you see here, I've got that part. Now I need to push the little round piece down. So I will probably use this tool here to help me. Push it down and then slide it. So I got it over there and then just push it down until it snaps. Did you hear that? So just like that, and that's it guys. It's done, super easy. Quickly changed it out. Now I've got this awesome American flag. Just put it back together. Then just slide this in. And it's done. So how cool that is. So that's how you install the back plate here. Super simple. Make sure you check out Bastion. I will link all their information if you guys want to order parts as well. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful to you guys, especially to you women out there. So I just found that these two tools were perfect for installing the back plate. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day.